For the rest of this video, we will be going into a sacred forest. This is the forest of the Almighty, and inside this place, a lot of things we are going to find. When we get into the forest, there is a lot of interesting things we will find there. One of them is the man who turned to stone.
This one
Is human being.
yes, we call it Akpata Adimola.
Akpata Adimola, and that is human being right
And
there.
that is human being.
And if you don't believe it, watch these people talking with him. And after that, we will go too deep into the forest where we will find a cursed wilderness. This part of the forest was caused by a demon who lived in this forest, and until this day, this place is known as the Silent Wilderness. This is inside the forest of absolute silence. Remember, it is said that a whisper is too loud in this forest. And we are inside here right now. The most interesting thing is you can't even hear the sound of bird. You can't hear the sound of cricket. All those things is not here. We even went deeper till we met the devil himself. You say the name is what? Is it a demon or devil himself?
Devil himself.
This is devil himself. All this and many more you are about to watch in this video. Before we get into the video, I want you to do one thing for me. Please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be the first person to know when I post my next video. Let's get back to the video. For the past 2 years now, I've been traveling around and telling interesting stories, and during this time I've heard a lot about Igbo Olodumare, and I've always known that this would be a very interesting place to visit. On this day I decided to visit. The goal was to go into this forest and tell you the story about this forest, show you the interesting things that are located inside this forest. I took a trip to Igbo Olodumare. Getting there, I found out that there is more to this forest than I've ever heard. Before we get into the story, let's say a very big thanks to this man who wrote a novel about this place, and that is why this place is popular today. Many people knew Igbo Olodumare through his novel, and by visiting here today, I hope I will help show more people around the world Igbo Olodumare, the forest of the Almighty. Let us begin the adventure. We are going into the forest right now, and this is the forest of the Almighty, and inside here we are going to see a lot of things. We are going to see the pathway to heaven. We are going to see the meeting point of human and spirit. All those things are inside this forest right now, so let's go. This is the slippery rock that never dries, and it is called Okelangbodo in the local language. And this rock right here, whenever you arrive this place, you can't say any bad word, because anything you say right here will come to pass. So whenever you are here, you are only here to say good words or good wishes. And if you have bad thing in your mind, don't come to this place, because if you arrive here, anything you have in your mind or anything you say right in front of this rock is going to happen. But there is a smaller rock under Okelangbodo. That one is a human being.
We call it Akpata Adimola. Yeah. In that olden days, that altar where they come hot here, they meet the man here. If a misunderstanding what to happen, he will run, come meet this man. This man, now he will settle the matter for them. So the man can't stay here. Turn to stone. Since then, the man did there, we call it Akpata Adimola. This man is used to settle issues in the community. When people have problems, it is believed that those people were giants. When they have problems, they usually come to this man and he will settle the thing. But at some point, this man came under this place and turned to rock. And that is when all the 7 giants left this place. Until this day, this man is still here under a rock. During those days, there was a chief priest that used to live on this rock, Okelangbodo, and this is the man right here. This man, his job is to transfer message from human and to the spirits. There is a point where human being meets with the spirits, and this is where this man lived during that time. To get deep into this forest, we have to climb this Okelangbodo. This place is called the slippery rock that never dries, not because it is always wet, but because it is always slippery. It might look easy in the eye, but it's very hard to climb.
No, leave that stick, bro.
Have this in mind before climbing this place. You're still coming down from this place, but if you're able to climb it, I'm sure you can come down. It doesn't mean that coming down is easy. Right now we are going to the wilderness of absolute silence. This is the part of this forest that was caused by a demon, and all the animals in this place cannot make any noise. When you get there, it is as cold as ice and everywhere is as quiet as possible. Before you get into this wilderness, you will notice that there are crickets, there are birds crying everywhere. But immediately you walk into this forest, you don't hear any sound from any animal. Let's go there and I will tell you more. Right now we are going into the forest of absolute silence, and when we enter this forest, we cannot talk. It is believed that even a whisper is already too loud in this forest. Birds does not make noise there, and that is why if you go there you cannot talk. They say the whisper is very loud, but when we get there I will try to whisper to you and see what happens. This is inside the forest of absolute silence. Remember, it is said that a whisper is too loud in this forest. And we are inside here right now. The most interesting thing is you can't even hear the sound of bird. You can't hear the sound of cricket. All those things is not here. And this is crazy. Other forests that is surrounding this place, you can hear the sound of cricket, you can hear the sound of bird. Inside this forest, none of them is here. And this is crazy, very crazy. I know I was not supposed to talk, but I want to know if you guys are hearing my whisper. Can you hear what I'm saying? But we are inside the forest of absolute silence. It is crazy, crazy. What happened to this side of the forest? Why is it that animals that enter this side cannot talk till they leave this place? In the ancient time, there is a demon that controlled this part of the forest, and there is a herbalist that came here. This is a human being, so he does not stand a chance against the demon, but he faced the demon, he fought with the demon, and he defeated the demon. And when he defeated the demon, all the animals that stays here were cheering, they were making noise. But before the demon died, he caused all the animals that were staying here. Since you all are making noise, cheering a human who defeated me, this is the highest noise you will ever make in this place. Until this day, any animal that enter this territory cannot talk till they leave this territory. And right now, we are going to meet the devil himself. The rock.
If anything happen, like the day bad people come do bad thing for this church of Owo, we came here, they come beg a Sukekere Ode to find them out. Immediately find them out. This is devil himself.
Okay, this is not just demon, it is devil himself.
It is devil.
This is devil?
Yes.
Okay. So what you're seeing here is devil himself, and it is called a Sukekere Ode. If you have heard in the news, there was a time when they had Owo massacre. During that time, some people came into church in Owo and they massacred a lot of people. And they came here and begged this Esukekere Ode to bring out those people. And this thing actually called out those people and they were caught. This thing right here. You say it is devil himself.
Yes.
This is devil, not demon.
Not demon.
Devil.
This is devil.
Before I go, I want to let you know that everything you saw in this video, you can always visit and see it for yourself, and that is why the government recognized this place as a tourist attraction. You can always visit Igbo Olodumare and see it all for yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please let me know in the comment section right now if you did enjoy the video, and if you did enjoy it, please give the video a like. And if you want to see more videos like this one, click the red subscribe button located around here in your screen now, and turn on the bell notification that comes up next so that you'll be the first person to know when I post my next video. If you did enjoy this video, your friends might enjoy it too. So why not share it with them so that they will watch just like you did. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.